This is Buzzard Roost, the bottom of Buzzard Roost. You can camp here, and there's horse tie lines over here if you want to park your horse there. You can camp up on top too, but it's going to be windy tonight and it's supposed to get down to about 25, so we're going to stay down to the bottoms of the cliffs, not go up on top. This spot out here is this is the top of Buzzard Roost, and feels good out here in the sun. It's probably about 40, I think it's about 42, 43 degrees today, and it's supposed to get down to 25 tonight, so it's going to be a little nippy. Alright, we made it to Whiskey Cave. I don't know if you can see it back here. I don't know why they call it Whiskey Cave. Maybe you're supposed to go in there and drink whiskey. But this is a side trail off of the River to River trail down here in Shawnee. I'm actually able to record a little bit down here because there's no wind. Been a lot of wind today. But we're just kind of completing a loop that was near Garden of the Gods. It's called the Whiskey Trail Loop, and we're going to loop back and hit the River Trail again, pick it up, and probably go find a campsite. It's about 3 o'clock, and then tomorrow morning we're going to get up and head back out on the River to River Trail and take it on down to where I got my truck parked and see some more of the country. The leaves are turned really nice. It's pretty down here this time of year. The weather's good, so we'll holler at you later when we get to camp. This is Mushroom Rock. We've almost completed our circle. It's 4 o'clock and I don't know if the wind is too bad on this camera or not. It's starting to get windy again, but I think that's about 8 miles, 7-8 miles, something like that is what we're going to have. And now we got to find a spot to camp. And not exactly the route that we wanted to do today. Our plans kind of got changed. So we changed our plans and rerouted, and it turned out to be a pretty good afternoon anyway. Now we're going to find a spot to camp, and we'll check back in later.